Mar somo Julius Ogamba ogolo siem mager ne jopuonj duto nyaka mago marito centers mag penj kowacho ni ng'ata mibiro yudi gi ketho mar kwalo penj ibiro gole listi mar jopuonj kendo kaune okang' mar chik. Maendi timore kinde ma ji abich omaki e kaunti ma Nairobi ka itudogi kod wuondruok ni gin jopuonjre kendo ne gidwa ni gitim penj maduong' mar KCSE madhi nyime pacho kae. Ogamba noloso Dagoreti e kinde manotelo ne yawo oboke mag penj e odiechieng' mar adek mar penj mar KCSE.
Congratulations and best wishes. And for that, I want to congratulate you and thank you for being. It is regrettable that a few individuals have attempted to engage in examination malpractice despite repeated warnings. The government has already taken firm action against those involved, and these measures should serve as a strong deterrent to anyone contemplating to undertake similar misconduct. For instance, there are situations in Nairobi and other parts of the country where 5 or so people were arrested impersonating as the students. When we've indicated very clearly that this year's examination scripts are individualized, in the sense that there is an actual photo of the student on the script. So when you send somebody else to try and do the exam on behalf of the child, in fact it is foolishness because it is automatic that they will not be the same people, so they'll be arrested.